Friends, you appreciate my yoga practices. Very nice, thank you. I have been teaching yoga in all over the world, in leading hotels of the world, embassy schools, in parks, in many places, and I taught yoga to even a very famous dignitary called Deepak Chopra, Hillary Clinton, all over the world, and I had the privilege to teach first lessons of my yoga to Indian Medical Association in Delhi, to all the doctors, and I have privilege to teach yoga to Dr. Naresh Tirhan of Medanta Hospital Director. So I am not just giving you just for your information I am giving. I am not praising my practice of yoga, but then you will trust my teaching of yoga because you will understand that this man is qualified, experienced. That is why I was given assignment in many hotels here, in many embassies in Delhi and outside Delhi also, outside India also. So why I am saying that you should learn yoga. देखा देखी साधा योग चीज काया बाड़ा योग. Yoga is very inspiring, very adaptable system. That is why tomorrow in whole world yoga day will be observed. That is why I thought to give you a small message. If you like some of these things, try to adopt in your life. So I talked to you Ashtanga Yoga, Yama Niyam Asana. Now fourth stage of yoga is pranayama. What is pranayama? Pranayama is two types, inside and outside. Inside means you inhale, retain the breath, and you follow this in three proportions. Purak, Kumbhak and Rechak. Purak means inhale, retain and breathe out. These are three steps in pranayama and three bandhas. Three locks you have to Mool Bandha, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. What is Mool Bandh? Mool Bandh is the Mooladhar Chakra to be squeezed, to be closed. So no energy is going out. What is Udyan Bandha? Udyan Bandha is locking your senses and stomach like this. Squeeze the stomach. This is called Udyan Bandha. And what is Jalandhar? So these are Tribandhas. If you use your Tribandhas, you will be having no problem of heart problem, lungs problem, brain problem. Medical science has experimented and tried these yoga practices. That is why even the All India Medical, many institutes of the world, and many hotels and many big research institutes, yoga has been. First time yoga was adopted in space by Rakesh Sharma, who was the first astronaut who reached to moon. And when you reach to moon, you forget your sensual enjoyment. You are totally dedicated to God. Yoga was also practiced by all the deities, Devi, Devatas, and Hanumanji is a big yogi. Ashta Siddhi Nav Nidhi ke Data, Astvardhin Janki Mata. अणिमा लगिमा ये सब प्रकार की सिद्धियाँ होती हैं. प्राणायाम से क्या क्या हो सकता है वो मैंने अपनी किताब में दिखाया है. अंडरग्राउंड समाधि कैसे होती है. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा एक सेट और आसनों का आपको दिखाने के बाद फिर प्राणायाम के ऊपर जाऊँगा. तो मैं अभी चर्चा आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू यू अबाउट वज्रासना. व्हाट इज वज्रासना? यू सिट ऑन योर टू लेग्स एंड रिलैक्स. This is the only posture which is possible to be practiced after the meals, adamante posture. In Vajrasana, you can sit 2 minutes, 3 minutes after the meals and sit relaxed. Then you will find your stomach is good, your pancreas are good, you have no heart problem. That is what the studies have found in National Institute of Yoga and Ayurveda, and all the now there is also Institute of Medical Sciences which is dedicated purely to Yoga Ayurveda. So I think I am trying to share some of my experiences and my thought to you, and if you want my presence somewhere, I will be available with prior appointment. I can come to embassy, I go to many hotels to teach yoga, I teach to many ministries yoga, So first is Vajrasana में Mandukasana, frog posture, how it's practiced. You make the fist, put on your belly button, then change the hand. Again, change the fist. Then make the fist. So these are some of the postures of frog posture. This I am showing you on my New Bharat YouTube channel. You can open and connect with it. Otherwise, you have my numbers 981111 4180 8826 612626. Now the same posture, Upasana, is camel posture. And lying adamantly is also very good for your back, for your stomach. So I am giving you these asanas in a set. If you cannot practice all the asanas together, you practice this posture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in every posture you relax. Now I come to pranayama. What is pranayama? I mentioned to you. There are 8 types of pranayama: Kapalbhati, Nadi Sodhan, Suryabhedi, Chandrabhedi, Shetkari pranayama. According to weather conditions, you practice pranayama. So I am showing you practice of pranayama of summer weather. In summer weather, you practice C3. Retain the breath and exhale from the Chandra Nadi. Retaining is Kumbhaka. You retain the breath as per your convenience, as per your tolerance. Then Shetakari. The most important aspect in pranayama is the longevity of your retention of the breath. Then Chandravedi pranayam, you inhale from the left nostril. So maybe it is sufficient for the day, and in case if you like my presence anywhere, you call my center 981111 4180 7290901889, or if you want you can visit North Campus University Center, which is very near to College Khalsa, Metro Gate 2, 2228 Autumn Lines, GTV Metro, Kalki Balaji Dham Mandir. I am very confident that you might have understood some of these teachings, and if you like it, you share with your friends. If you want my guidance online or on call, I am always ready. I am a retired professor from the University of Delhi. I was teaching there for 42 years after my retirement. And during also work, I have been teaching yoga to thousands of delegates coming from abroad and different luxury hotels of Delhi. And still I am connected with many hotels on call. So if you want my knowledge, if you want my mentorship, if you want any kind of discussion, any kind of guidance on different diseases, because yoga also prevents and also cures. Like if you are diabetic, if you have high blood pressure, if you have obesity, if you have back problem, if you have asthma problem, breathing problem, these are very common diseases which easily cured by the practice of yoga, Ayurveda and water therapy and meditation. Finally, I am coming to Ashtanga Yoga level of 7th level, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana. And then comes Dhyana. Dhyana. ध्यान करे सब देवी देवा, ध्यान करे सो पावे मेवा. ध्यान क्या है? What is meditation and what is contemplation? Meditation connects you, brings you to samadhi, and it can connect you to your goal. If you are a student, if you are a driver, if you are a pilot, you do Suganatmak Dhyana, meditation with some objective. Then you achieve that objective, and if you want to go in samadhi, that is called without any objective, without any connection with anything, sakar, nirakar. निराकार समाधि, बिना किसी कनेक्शन के समाधि लगती है. तो मैं अब आपको थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम और ध्यान बता रहा हूँ. दोनों नासिकाओं से इनहेल फ्रॉम बोथ द नोस्ट्रल्स. ओम ओम ओम. Now relax. Create energy in both the palms and relax your eyes, relax your head, relax your Agya Chakra. Keep on your face. It will be charming. And finally enjoy. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much for listening my talk. Hope you will enjoy it. You will be motivated and you will understand very well what is yoga. In case still you don't, please call me, meet me, visit me. Thank you very much.